Hey, we are here at ISE 2017 in Amsterdam. My name is Johannes Krohn. I work as a TME for Cisco Systems, and I'm here to show you the Spark platform. Spark is a cloud-based collaboration solution where we have three workflows, basically message, meet, and call. I want to start by showing you the message aspect of this. The message aspect of Spark can easily be seen in this Spark client on this MacBook here, where you can see the Teams functionality, where we have multiple teams created for some project-specific work. And as soon as you go into any of these team rooms, team areas, you'll see that there are subspaces created for sub-projects, and we have basically brought in all the members of our company who want to collaborate on this aspect in this space. And then in all of these spaces, you basically you'll see that we can exchange messages, we can share content, we can basically collaborate on any of these projects. In one of those spaces, in this ISE 27 space, you'll see that there's lots more sub-projects, lots more communication going on. And here in this content space, you can actually see that we are not limited to only exchanging text messages. We can also share content and collaborate on that content in the team. The next aspect of Spark is the meeting part, the meeting portion, the meeting workload of Spark. A meeting can typically very easily be initiated from any of these spaces that you are collaborating in. And if now any of these team members decides that he wants to have an ad hoc video meeting with all the other collaborators, he or she can easily go to the actions area here and initiate the conference. And as you can see, we initiate the conference. For now, obviously, this guy is the only person in the meeting. But now, if we go to the devices that other team members are using, we'll see that they all get a pop-up on their client. For example, right here on this iPad, we see that there's a meeting going on in the flex plan space as we created on the other side, and we can easily join that conversation on the iPad, and that basically initiates a two-party conference. If you continue to go to the right here, we see the same experience on this MacBook here, for example. This MacBook, the user using this MacBook has set his client so that the client basically controls the video phone that we see right next to it. So as soon as we also join the ongoing meeting by just clicking join on the client, we actually see that the desk phone that's on the desk of this user also joins our conference. By now we already have a three-party conference going on. If you continue to the right, here we see a slightly different mobile experience compared to the first iPad that we've seen. Since this iPad here is proximity associated with the big MX200 room-based system that's also cloud registered. So here I now have the choice to either join the conference from my iPhone or use the room system to join the conference. And that would be the room experience, room-based experience in this conversation. The nice mobile experience we get with Cisco Spark is that at any point the attendee in one of those rooms can basically decide to move the conversation, to move the meeting to his mobile device, simply by pulling down the meeting to the iPad, and then either can leave the call active in the room system or just pull it to the iPad. For now, I left the call active in the room system so that the attendees who are still in the room can continue this conversation. That is pretty much what we can show here with respect to the message and meeting experience. If you're interested in seeing more of this, please see us in Hall 11 here at ISE 2017. Thank you.